Hey guys, today we're gonna be building a volcano. Oh my god, I've never done this. Oh, it's so exciting. Tammy's Kid Rock Boom. Today we're gonna be building a volcano. It's so exciting. Now, I'm gonna show you the materials. You'll also need an eruption tub so it can go away and poof. And then we need an injector. It looks like a booyah. Boom. Ow. And the next step, you'll also need colored acrylic paint and glow in the dark. I've never seen something glow in the dark, so it's so exciting. And you'll need foam paintbrush, because how would you paint without a paintbrush? It will all stick into your finger, and this will definitely stick into your finger for 2 days. Now we'll need a pair of children goggles, because you always need safety before you do something. You never know if it goes in your eye or anything. Now I'm ready. Also, you need Plasto Wrap 2 rolls. They sound like true rolls. Ooh, you'll need a pair of kid safety goggles, because look at my hand right now. It was good. This really looks like that is so fun. Like some fake. And you'll need baking soda too, because how is this gonna erupt? First, we gotta put the the exploding tube, however it's called, inside the bowl. No, because if the liquid falls, we won't even get to see what happens. And I'm so excited because this is my first time doing this. Now, you need like tape, glue, whatever you have of stickiness to put right here, so safety, because if you can spill a little bit because it's wiggly. If you're using hot glue, make sure to ask your parents for permission, and that is super dangerous. You can burn your finger. So that's why I'm using super sticky glue. Yes, use this. Okay, it's already dripping. The next process was using the scissors, so I prefer that you might ask for help from your parents. You gotta cut these strips, the one that I told you about earlier, mostly like 6 inches. You gotta put this in a bowl of water so they will be mixing. Oh my god. How is it gonna now I'm gonna put another one. Just wrap the volcano. Oh my god. This is not yet. The water. Wow, what are we supposed to do with it? Looks perfect. Looks like a masterpiece. That's what I'm talking about. Red card.
So now an adult has to put both of the ingredients, it's baking soda and citric acid, inside the tube of the volcano.
Water